snowing so hard outside right now.
Literally, I cannot tell if you guys. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. But yeah, as you can see, it is snowing quite hard outside. This is actually our second snow of the year, I think. Yeah, our second snow of the year. Um, and this is also our second accumulation of the year. And today is, excuse me, December 13th. And last year, it was this exact day last year, I believe it was 70 degrees. And we did not get snow until after Christmas and almost to New Year's. I think maybe it was December 30th that we got snow for the first time that winter. But yeah, it was like 60, 70 degrees going through Christmas, and now look at it. Also note that I live in Ohio, so 60, 70 degrees this time of year is completely unnatural. But obviously that's not the case this time. I believe it's in the 20s outside. I think we've gotten 1 to 2 inches already with, supposedly, according to my mom, we're supposed to get another 2, 3 inches for a total of 3 to 5. So, don't know for sure if that's the case because I believe it's going to stop snowing around 2 or 3. So there isn't really all that much that could fall unless it snows 1 inch an hour, which I don't think it's going to. Because, I mean, yeah, it's coming down pretty hard, but it's not as hard as, you know. So, yeah, now I think I'm actually going to get some slow-mo shots of all this snow.
And right after I make that video, the satellite goes out, so that is not good at all. Oh, apparently this storm got named. It's called Decima? What the hell kind of name is that? Decima? Hang on. I'll show you guys. It says it right there. As you can see, satellite is out. So that's not very good at all. That means, well, I might have to go out there and clear it off. Maybe. I don't know for sure. The satellite's right outside of our garage, so it's not like I have to venture out a few miles into the snow. But, yeah, apparently it got worse than I previously thought. I hope the power doesn't go out, because if it does, I'm screwed. Because no one is home, and I don't have my driver's license yet. Not to mention there's no cars. At least no cars that I can drive. So, yeah, might as well post this video to YouTube now before my power goes out. And, yeah, so I'm gonna go do that.